Hey peeps, it's been a while since I've done a grocery.
Hi everyone, it's me, I'm back.
It's been a while since I've done a grocery haul, and I did. This actually isn't that big. I feel like I spent way more than it's showing here, but...
Scrap it, don't do it now.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Don't do it.
We technically didn't even need to go, but I wanted a couple of things for some recipes, so I just went, you know? It's okay. Great. We're off to a great start. So, here it all is. I will show it to you. I know I'm gonna get a ton of questions about my glittery nail polish, and I don't remember what it is. I know it's a Kokie.
Purple.
It's purple, yes. I know it's a Kokie nail polish, but I will link it down below.
Purple by OPI.
Do you want to be quiet?
This is why you're supposed to work when I'm not here.
Yeah, I know. I get nothing done with you here. What are you making?
Some chicken, bell pepper, avocado, black beans.
Yuck.
And then, I don't know, what else? Just the whole kitchen sink.
Great. Bradley's making us lunch. But let's start with the produce I picked up. As you'll see, I stocked up on frozen fruit because we're really into smoothies, if you don't know what that is at the moment. We wanted some spinach to go in there, so I got a big bag of spinach, a bag of our favorite salad, the Champs-Élysées salad, my fave. We got some bananas. This is some almond milk, which I don't drink a ton, but I use it in a lot of Weight Watchers recipes because it's very points friendly, and I just get the original unsweetened almond beverage from Trader Joe's. Got some bananas, got some shredded carrots, some celery, and some onions over there because I buy those every week, but I'm going to try and make a shepherd's pie, even though they didn't have the right kind of beef, but we'll get to that in a minute. I got some berries. Are you just gonna stand there the entire time?
I'm looking what I want to make it my thing.
Oh, well, hold on. Some red bell peppers for snacking. They're my fave. And I've been so into oranges, so I got 4 oranges because I've been wanting one like every day. I got 2 bags of frozen peaches, some mango chunks, some pineapple, and some frozen blueberries. Got some eggs. I wanted to buy the eggs from Costco.
Which avocado? Are we using both? Just one?
Just one.
That one?
Yeah. I wanted to get the eggs from Costco, but we didn't make it there. But we've been going through eggs really quickly lately because I've been eating them a lot in the mornings. I use them in recipes, so. God.
Just trying to make lunch!
That's alright. So, got some eggs, and we'll go through those pretty quickly, and hopefully I can make it to Costco soon. Last night, you guys, we had this fettuccine alfredo. We added chicken to it, and thanks to a Trader Joe's, like, sample station, we also added, I'm just gonna show it to you in the fridge. We added this stuff. So, I love this stuff. I have for years. I like to dip, like, pita chips or bread in it. It's so good, but they did it as a sampling one day at Trader Joe's as they mixed it in with the fettuccine alfredo. So, I bought both of those. We made it last night for dinner, and it was incredible, right, babe?
Yes.
Yes. So I bought it again just because it's like freezer friendly, and those are nice to have on hand. We've also been loving these sweet potato gnocchi. They have butter and sage. They are so, so good. So I bought both of those for the freezer. These I think were new. They were like in the new section. They're Neapolitan Puffs cereal. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about them, mainly because they say they're made with beans and brown rice, and I'm kind of like, oh, I hate beans. Well, I wanted to give it a try. I didn't scan it for points, but cereal is usually like somewhat doable if you just have the right amount, and it's a nice change up from like my 2-ingredient dough bagels and my eggs. I also got these organic brown rice marshmallow treats. These were 4 points for the entire bar, so I feel like that would be a good snack or like afternoon sweetie dessert, you know? Got 2 cans of special cookies, of course. Okay, these are our new obsession. These are the honey hedgehog cookies. These are new, but I didn't even scan them for points because I was like, I don't want to know. I just want to try them. We loved them. We went through our first box in like 5 days. I think
2 boxes.
Yes, I told you I bought 2 boxes. I think they're meant for kids because they're like little snack packs, but you can have an entire pack, which is relatively large, for only 4 points. So like same as this, it's a good like snack sweet treat option. So we loved these. I got 2, and how freaking cute. I love hedgehogs. Like I said, I want to make that shepherd's pie tonight, which is an Amanda Cypret recipe. I love her on YouTube. She does a lot of meal preps. They didn't have the 99% lean beef at Trader Joe's, like ground beef, so I did just get turkey. I'll try it again some other time where I can get to a store that has like more meat options, but I did get the beef broth that it calls for, and I figure it'll give it some more beef flavor, but I like ground turkey, it doesn't matter. I picked up another one of our dish soaps because we were running out and we love this stuff. I got some seasoned roast beef. I love roast beef sandwiches. I just found some point-friendly bread, which is the Nature's Own butter bread. You can have 2 slices for 3 points, 2 ounces of this for 1 point, so I figure it might work out, and I could put tomatoes and lettuce on it and whatever. I just love roast beef, so I was like, I'm gonna get that. And then last but not least, I got some plain non-fat Greek yogurt because I make my 2-ingredient dough bagels like a bitch and I'm constantly going through that. But we also add this to like mashed potatoes, sometimes pastas, just anything to make it like more creamy because it's 0 points. But all right guys, that is it. I'm gonna go help Bradley, Mr. Noisy, make lunch.
God forbid I'm making lunch!
Oh my lord.
Should we use both avocados?
No!
I had to scrape.
Oh, then yes. Okay, but thank you so much for watching. If you want more grocery hauls, I will link my playlist up in the corner. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you later. Bye!
Bye everyone. I hope you have a lovely, holidays in January and
It's February.
February.
Okay, bye.